हाँ जी, मॉर्निंग।
क्या हालचाल?
ऐश चल रही है एकदम।
व्हाट न्यू?
न्यू, yesterday I was there for a talk in Dubai. That was the latest.
Some Apeksha Nangia was there yesterday.
Yes, she told me. I spoke to her a couple of days back, not yesterday, no?
कल परसों मेरे को मैसेज आया था, हाउ डू यू नो अतुल?
हाँ।
मैंने कहा अभी ये कहानी मत पूछ मुझे समझ ही नहीं आना, मुझे जवाब देना क्या है। कोई कहता है बताओ, कोई कहता है नहीं बताओ। मैं कहा मार गोली, और भाई है मेरा।
वेरी गुड है।
काय?
हाँ जी। तो मेरे से भी बात हुई थी उसकी, उसने बताया कि जी किसी बीएनआई मीटिंग में मिली थी।
हाँ, उस दिन पता नहीं क्या चैट हो रही थी। एक्चुअली वो वंडर वुमन पे ना कई बार यू इंटरेक्ट वेरी वेल विद अ फ्यू पीपल। ऐसे लगता है कईयों के साथ वेवलेंथ मैच हो रही है।
राइट।
Oh, वो शी वाज टेलिंग बुक्स टू रीड ये वो। मैं थोड़ा प्रोएक्टिवली पहले डाले थे लोगों को वन टू वन करने के लिए, तो शी हैड ऑल माय इन्फो।
आई थिंक
आज की प्रेजेंटेशन।
सीईओ टॉक्स ग्रुप में डाला मैंने, तो वहां पर तुम्हारा नाम था, तो वो कहती है हाउ डू यू नो आरती।
मैं पूछ रही हूँ वो क्या कहते हैं, आज स्पीकर कौन है?
नहीं, मेरे को आई हैव नो आइडिया। आई डिड नॉट फॉलो अप ऑन दैट। प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने कुछ किया है, उनको पता है। So good morning, everybody on Facebook.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
We are here for the Inner Circle. Inner Circle, as you would know, is a curated community. We are very select people who meet every Friday morning. The intent is to come together and take the business to the next level. We work on 5 elements: opportunities, problem solving, knowledge sharing, second degree contacts, and also on industry connect. What that means is we work with various industry bodies and help you expand your network. So that's what we are here today. So in the next couple of minutes, all our members will be joining and we'll take the conversation forward. Good morning, Aarti.
गुड मॉर्निंग। I had a face to face with Amit. He was facing some kind of legal issue. He wanted an advice on it. So we've
Amit
ex-
Singh.
Amit Singh.
Okay.
We've exchanged the documents. I've yet to get back to him with the advice.
All right.
I tried to get in touch with Damir, but I think we were playing hide and seek.
Hmm.
He was a little busy. I was his buddy for the presentation.
Mm-hmm. So did he move any further?
We could not talk.
Not at all. Okay.
Let me check my light. So how is your what is your thought process towards the Chinese product boycott?
So to me, it doesn't make sense.
To boycott the
We are,
Chinese products?
sorry?
To boycott the Chinese products?
Yes. So it is not about Chinese products. Okay. It is about Indian products. So it is about building our own muscle. China is the way China is because they have built their muscle.
Their muscles, right?
So rather than saying, so a couple of decades, a couple of centuries back, we were boycotting the British products. I was
Exactly.
just getting present to the civil disobedience movement, 1942. We were boycotting the English products. Why? Because they had the muscle. We did not have the muscle. Later on, we were boycotting the American products because they had the muscle. We did not have the muscle. Today, we
Right.
have China products because they have the muscle. We have lost our industry to Bangladesh
Yeah,
apparels
big
because
time.
they have built the muscle.
They have built them.
We have lost it to Laos. They have built the muscle. So this is farce that we are boycotting China. Dude, adopt Indian is what we need to do. We don't have to boycott anybody.
Yeah, and in fact, there will be a lot of products which we will be dependent on other countries, which is all right. But
Today,
first, think of the production over here.
see,
You find it.
the irony is the rajma that you eat that comes from China.
How come?
See, go and check the import details. A vast majority of the pulses those come to India come from China. Check with
Rice, we heard that there was a lot of.
check with Rajan Arora. He will tell you.
Imagine.
तो खाना बंद कर दो.
Yeah, it's all about building our muscle.
I'm just saying the lens that we are using, that is not appropriate.
Correct.
So Atmanirbhar is very different from anti-China. See, whatsoever anti we talk about, anti has a negative connotation to it. It has a negative energy to it.
Correct.
Whereas Atmanirbhar, self-reliant, that has a positive
Swadeshi movement, if you say that.
Absolutely. So Swadeshi movement was very different from civil disobedience.
Yes. Right. Right.
Okay. Or the salt movement, the Dandi March.
The Dandi March.
That was about building the muscle.
True.
It's not about stealing from somebody's plate. No, they have earned it.
Yeah, they're right where they are. They had to work for their country. They had to make business. They had to do whatever for their population. They've done it for their own country.
Absolutely.
We are not being able to do it for our country. Then wake up. Then whatever they do with the money they earn from us, it is their choice. Kill us. Do whatever they want to.
See, in the families, they talk about kabiledari. Right? Now, they were sitting on a population which is the world's largest population. Which country went to feed their population? Every day they have floods. Tell me who has gone and supported them with their floods? Who goes and gives shelter to their people?
Absolutely. Good morning, Mithilesh ji.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, Amit अतुल जी.
Good morning, Jay.
और कौन है भाई?
Good morning, Dharmishta. Good morning, Yogesh ji.
Good morning all. How's life?
तो मेरा आप सब लोगों से सविनय निवेदन है कि हाउ अबाउट स्टार्टिंग द डे विद अ नमस्कार और a namaste.
Oh yes.
That would be way more powerful than saying anti China, China बाहर जाओ, China बाहर जाओ. तो नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
अतुल जी, आरती जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
नमस्ते अमित जी.
नमस्ते मिथिलेश जी, हाउ आर यू?
Very beautiful plant behind you, Amit. It was a very wonderful background, the live one.
So,
हमें तो virtual डालने
Was that
पड़े.
for me?
This is one of my prayer room.
अच्छा.
one of your prayer room मतलब कि ये ओशो आश्रम
मतलब
में रहते हो क्या? दर्जन prayer rooms है.
ऑक्सीजन के लिए थोड़ा सा.
Very nice.
Within the
धर्मेश कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?
I lost out on the conversation. Zoom आजकल है ना log off login करवाता है. So just excuse me. इसीलिए मैं वीडियो थोड़ा ऑफ रखती हूँ क्योंकि जय का वेबिनार भी रहता है ना इसी टाइम पे. So I thought I lost out on something or what?
So we are saying that good morning की जगह नमस्कार कहेंगे.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
देवी और सज्जनों.
Devi or Sadhana. So we just lately gotten information from ruling from the Punjab and Haryana High Court that the proceedings will all be in Hindi. And हमारे सबके वकीलों के हाथ पैर फूलने लग गए भैया हिंदी में क्योंकि हमने पढ़ाई हिंदी में नहीं करी है. So हमारे लिए बहुत difficult हो जाएगा to move on the entire proceedings in Hindi. But yet,
in fact हमारी proceedings है हम इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं.
Sorry?
हमारी जो proceedings है हम इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं. तो बीच-बीच में थोड़ी-थोड़ी अंग्रेजी चलेगी.
संजीव जी वेलकम.
क्यों प्रेसिडेंट जी सही है ना?
नमस्कार संजीव जी. नमस्कार. Unmute yourself.
ये सही है बार-बार.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
नमस्कार.
नहीं चलेगा.
नवीन की प्रेजेंटेशन.
नमस्कार संजीव जी.
नमस्कार.
अतुल नवीन की प्रेजेंटेशन पहुंची.
एक बार देख ले तो पता नहीं.
संजीव जी क्रिएट सेशन नवीन ले रहा है.
हाँ क्रिएट सेशन नवीन ले रहा है और एजुकेशन स्लॉट मैं ले रहा हूँ.
ओके.
अतुल मेरी भी प्रेजेंटेशन पहुंच चुकी है.
हाँ तो वो तो अब आपको मैंने को होस्ट बना दिया. अब आप अपने आप कर लीजिएगा. और नवीन की तो नहीं पहुंची. नवीन को भी को होस्ट बना देगा. अपने आप करते रहेगा. कब तक मुझसे काम
आप डाउनलोड कर लो. आप ये ना हो कि मेरा कनेक्शन वगैरह यहाँ पे इतने बढ़िया नहीं है.
ठीक है तो स्पेयर में कर लिया मैंने डाउनलोड.
हाँ
कब तक मुझसे काम कराते रहोगे?
मेरा भैया तो
समय आ गया.
एक हफ्ता रह गया. सिर्फ एक हफ्ता. उसके बाद
मेरी बात हो रही है आपकी बात नहीं हो रही. मैं तो ऑलरेडी रिटायर्ड हूँ. आप ये तो आप इस खुशफहमी में मत रहे कि ये एक हफ्ता रह गया है. आपको पता नहीं सरकार किस तरह चलती है.
नहीं भाई साहब नहीं.
अंग्रेजी में कहावत है देखते हैं ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है.
नहीं ये
ऐसा है. with retirement on mind people would not come for platforms like these.
No, it is not a retirement.
Even if you are retired.
I will be participating but not as a president.
नहीं मैं ये सिर्फ उसकी माइंडसेट की बात कर रही हूँ.
ये तो जनता बताएगी कौन प्रेसिडेंट है.
Exactly.
हमें कोई और दिखाई भी देना चाहिए जिसके इतने
सारे काबिल आदमी हैं. सब काबिल आदमी हैं यहाँ पे. सब काबिल आदमी हैं यहाँ पे.
सारे काबिल तो इस समय चाइना को संभालने में लगे हुए हैं.
We have around 7 people.
So we are at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
मेरा अनुरोध है कि जी proceeding शुरू की जाए.
Quickly.
And whosoever comes late, let him enjoy the music.
गरम मत होना कहीं या तो.
Proceedings.
हाँ.
कल शाम को तेरा वो दुबई वाला प्रोग्राम बड़ा फर्स्ट क्लास जा रहा था.
तो मैं तो जहाँ जाता हूँ वहाँ बढ़िया चलता है.
योगेश जी अपना वीडियो तो आप ऑन करें भाई.
अमित आपके यहाँ बैकग्राउंड में पेड़ बड़ा सुंदर लग रहा है यार.
Thank you जी, thank you.
आज अमित को पेड़ के लिए बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं. मैंने भी दिया.
अच्छा.
See, that's what greenery is all about. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Natural greenery.
ग्रीनरी तो आपके यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा है.
नकली है.
Good morning, Sudeepak ji.
Yeah, good morning, Sanjeev. That link you sent, I was trying for the last 15 minutes. Did you change it or what?
For inner circle meetings, it's a different link. It's not
Yeah,
the CEO script वाला नहीं है ये.
नहीं, वही जो है, what you put उसी को किया था. Never mind. Now I'm reached. I'm not happy to be late. That's why. Anyways.
No.
So Atul, congratulations. Nice talk.
Thank you.
Except for the first 5-7 minutes. After that, you got your tempo. It was fantastic.
First
I
5-7
had to
minutes.
leave
What
the
happened?
meeting, but I saw it on Facebook later on.
All right. First 5-7 minutes. What happened? Fair enough. So I'll have a conversation.
Offline बात करेंगे. Offline, you know.
Offline, right.
Offline.
Don't forget we are live on Facebook.
Yeah. So I've got another. So एक सजेशन तो ये है कि जी हम अपनी मीटिंग जब नमस्कार से शुरू करेंगे. दूसरी चीज ये है, हाउ अबाउट यूजिंग जस्ट द फर्स्ट नेम. नो जी, नो सर, नो मैडम, नो सैन.
Okay, Atul ji.
तो मुझे आपका प्रेम प्राप्त हुआ. There is a purpose behind that. क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पर जो है एक तो होता है, वो कहते हैं पैसे तेरे 3 नाम, परसा परसू परसराम. Okay, so we don't want that to be there. दूसरी चीज ये है कि हमारे यहाँ पर एज गैप भी काफी है. So to neutralize the age gap, जी हटा देते हैं बीच में से. ठीक है ना? So that way a 28 year and an 82 year are equal. So we are waiting for the 82 year. 28 year वाले तो हैं हमारे पास.
I fully endorse that point of view. No sir, no G. No
and
Mr.
if at all you want to say, then you say Sir Ji.
सबसे
In fact, it took me quite a while to call Atul. It was never there in the past 40 years of my life that I called him Atul.
Right, and he's a lot younger than you then in that case.
Oh yes, he is.
It is just that, you know, when somebody is doing something, we see him as a kind of guru or something, you know, or aged. A lot of people call me sir. I said, you call me Sudeepak, that's my name. But they're so uncomfortable, sir, but you are so senior. I said, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm Sudeepak. So everybody who knows me, they will not call me G, including Atul G. I mean, sorry, Atul. Right, Atul?
People get very...
Yeah. So, see, I don't know with whom I was having this conversation, and this came up there, that there is this uncle syndrome.
Exactly. Uncle G.
Yeah. So that uncle syndrome takes away much more than what it gives.
Yeah.
Morning, Dipankar.
Morning.
So, Parashar, good morning.
Good morning, Sudeepak. How are you, buddy?
Very well, very well. This bearded look is really suiting you, man. You're looking like a guru and all.
Thanks a lot. So now you all have to call me Guruji.
Oh, G.
So
We can say Guru. Oh, Guru. Like that.
हाँ वो भी चलेगा.
No, Guru Ji.
So President साहब.
Yeah, Deepti, how are you?
आगाज किया जाए.
I'm good.
Rajesh ji.
Yogesh.
जी चालू हो गया.
Logged in with two of the IDs.
It will take a while to get off that.
Just a point here, Atul, आपका जो virtual background है,
हाँ जी.
आपने लगाया तो है, but you know it's quite distorted in the sense ego ठीक है, but the thing is the background is giving
It's
when
like,
you are coming on the screen, it's really distorted.
yeah.
ठीक है. I think मैंने शर्ट गलत पहनी है.
शर्ट भी
नहीं
गलत
ये
है.
कभी होता है. अभी आरती का जो देखो, it is perfect.
Yeah, I think I switched off my light at the back and then I switched on the front light. It helped.
हाँ, सिर्फ ये कि आरती की काली शर्ट पे हरे पत्ते आ गए.
अच्छा वो मैंने
So the
सोचा वो
white
डिजाइन
is
है.
working.
वो वही मेरे साथ भी हो रहा था with a light shirt.
हाँ.
बैकग्राउंड जो है वो लाइट पर आ रही थी. मे भी डार्क शर्ट के साथ ठीक होता है. इसलिए
This is better. I think.
ठीक है. fair enough.
Good morning, Naveen. You are a co-host now. Naveen, am I audible?
Hi Sanjeev ji, good morning everyone.
Already?
ये तो एकदम आरजे लग रहा है आज. आरजे नवीन.
Thank you Atul ji. Good morning
ये
everyone.
अभी हमने निर्णय लिया है कि नो जी, नो मैम, नो सर.
And no good morning, only namaskar.
Absolutely.
अच्छा गुड मॉर्निंग भी बैन हो गया.
बैन no, हमने बैन कुछ नहीं किया. हमने नमस्ते शुरू किया है.
हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं.
नमस्ते जी.
नमस्कार.
मित्रों.
हाँ जी.
बैन तो जो बंकिम साहब
नमस्कार.
नहीं होगा.
ये भाई शाम के 8 बजे और सुबह के 8 बजे में अंतर होता है. शाम के 8 बजे की नमस्कार का पर्पस अलग होता है और इसका इम्पैक्ट भी अलग होता है. हाँ जी. We are at 8:08. I think we should not lose time. I got a hard stop at 9:25, 9:50. अब इस हफ्ते जो है, अरे वाह, आपकी मूंछ जो है ना नीली आ रही है.
नीली हो गई है वही. I just show you ये जो backgrounds है ना, they cause lot of problems. काली हो जाए तो अच्छा था.
हाँ जी. शुरू करें because okay, so another one important information is जो CEO talks हैं next week से हम दोपहर को 3 बजे ले जा रहे हैं. So we will not have CEO talks at 9:30 in the morning.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
All right.
Am I audible?
Yes, Sanjeev.
Thank you.
Yes Sanjeev ji, so if you could maybe like I did saw the last video as well, but I'm not aware of the how the create session is now different because when I attended physically with Atul and everybody, so it came in at a later stage. बता दीजिए, please help me how to if I have to start.
अभी भी लेटर ही है ना. अभी तो पहले इंट्रोडक्शन से कहानी शुरू होगी ना, अपडेट से.
Okay.
संजीव जी शुरू किया जाए. संजीव शुरू किया जाए. अरे कुछ लोगों के नाम में उनकी दाढ़ी बीच में आ जाती है तो
मेरा वीडियो नहीं दिखेगा आप लोगों को क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ लाइट भी नहीं है और मैं एक अंदर अंधेरे कमरे में आ गई हूँ कि सिर्फ यही कमरा ठंडा सा है. इसलिए प्लीज
ओके
वॉइस से काम चलाइएगा.
तो आप वीडियो ऑफ भी कर देंगे तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ मैं कर रही हूँ वीडियो ऑफ.
संजीव जी अब आओगे नहीं तो जी बोलना पड़ेगा.
दीप्ति, लेकिन अंधेरे में सब्जियां और खाना कैसे बनाओगी?
अभी कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है मेरे पास. सुबह का इवनिंग का है तो तब तक तो आ जाएगी. इन्वर्टर पता नहीं क्या हो गया, खराब हो गया.
We are so lucky यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Hi सुखदीपक.
Hi Rajesh, good morning. Too bad I can't see you. Where are you hiding yourself? There you are. There you are after a long time, huh? It seems like ages now. एक महीना हो गया है. तुमने क्या मुझे भूल गए हो या क्या?
नहीं, कल सुधा तेरे को याद कर रही थी, she asked for your number.
Really, that's nice. I'd like to talk to her. She's on Facebook with me in any case.
I don't know. I just.
Sudha Suri, na?
Yeah, Sudha Suri.
Yeah.
संजीव जी सब ठीक ठाक है?
संजीव जी ने कुछ अलग आईडी डाल दिया था.
I think we call him personally and then ask because this is not making sense.
Yeah, maybe somebody else can start so that we're not wasting everybody's time. I mean, if it's okay with you, Atul.
Yeah, okay. Sanjeev has just logged in again. I think drop out में.
तुम रात को 3 बजे से 9 बजे से ऐसी बिस्तर पे पड़ी हो?
म्यूट कर दो भाई, घर की बातें कर.
Disconnected, so I think he must be rejoining.
He's joined.
Everyone, please mute yourself.
President Sahab.
He was complaining of the network issue earlier.
No worries. So you start. You start. Yeah. Vice President starts.
All right.
I'm
Good
staying
morning,
away.
friends. Namaskaram. Please make yourself comfortable. We will begin our meeting soon. We request you all to put yourself on mute and your phones also on mute so that we have a complete attention from you. And today our president has some, Mr. Sanjeev Ahuja has some network issues. So I'm speaking on his behalf. And let's start. I am Advocate Aarti Bhalla. I welcome you all to the Inner Circle India. I'm an entrepreneur, professional homemaker, mother of two, ever exploring and growing in my mind. I am an independent practicing lawyer based out of Gurgaon. My specialization is litigation. We take care of all your legal needs, include contract drafting, registrations, mediations. I work with Sanjeev Ahuja to ensure that you win in your business. Let me take you through the flow of the meeting today. First, we will have the introduction to the leadership team, and then we will let you know what is the purpose of we getting together over here in Inner Circle. And then each member today present here shall get 60 seconds to introduce themselves and also to let us know what did they do during the week with the members of the Inner Circle. Then we will have a create session by Naveen Gill today. So create this session is where one of the member comes up front and gives a presentation on his or her business. This presentation includes at least one challenge in depth. After that, all of us will get into the create mode and deliberate the challenge. So create stands for C for challenge, R for resolution, A for enable, E for enable, A for analysis, D for trust, and E for empowerment. Today we have Naveen Gill to give this session. Then is the learning capsule. This is where we have a speaker who takes 15 minutes to share his expertise and knowledge to enable our businesses. Today we have Sanjeev Ahuja to share his pearls of wisdom. After that, we will have our registrations for all the visitors over here, and they will get the opportunity to apply for the eGrowth Inner Circle membership. And then this is a formal completion of the session. So let me introduce Atul as the founder of Inner Circle. Atul, please take over.
Sanjeev, you're there? Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me introduce Atul first. Atul is the founder of eGrowth. He's committed to nurturing entrepreneurship. He spent over 2 decades in corporate. eGrowth is a platform to cultivate the support structure to cause exponential growth for every entrepreneur. As a thought leader, Atul propagates first-hand experiences. He has evolved as a hands-on entrepreneur who has adapted to the rapidly changing marketplace from small mail to email to cloud working culture. He has a rich experience having worked with market leaders and thought leaders like CDAC, the public sector organization, who has been way ahead of the Times to enable the Indian languages on computers and other IT platforms. Yes, Atul.
Yeah, so namaskar everybody. एक चीज जो मुझे पिछले हफ्ते में समझ में आई है कि जी इनर सर्कल इस समय थोड़े अच्छे ढंग से काम कर रहा है. हमें ये देखना है कि जी और क्या क्या हम इसमें लेकर आए ताकि ये आपके बिजनेस के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो. उसके लिए ये जरूरी है कि जी आप लोग एक फीडबैक देते रहें. सो फॉर एनी बिजनेस feedback is a very critical tool. Okay, so you do ensure that there is some kind of feedback that you are getting within your business. Similarly, you keep on giving feedback for the inner circle so that we are able to take it further. Okay, do give the feedback to the president so that he can assimilate everything, and whatsoever changes need to be brought in, those are brought in. Please appreciate what we are doing. There is no template available for this. Okay, your business is different and you know your business best. You know what is required for that. And since you know what is required for that, you need to tell us what support you need on that. All right. So that's about it for today. And Sanjeev, please carry on.
Yeah, I'm now going to call upon the members to introduce themselves and give their weekly presentations. This is where the members have ongoing opportunity to educate the fellow members about the business they're looking for. I will request all members to introduce their name, the company, basic services they provide, whom did they talk to during the week, and any business transacted in that. I'll start with the Vijay Shah. Vijay ji.
I will take some 10 minutes, please.
Okay. Mr. Amit Singh.
Namaste everyone. My name is Amit Singh and I run a company into fashion, women fashion. Apart from that, I'm also co-founder of a company which is a boutique advisory e-commerce firm, which is known as Digital Experts India, which is spread across 4 states. And we specialize in e-commerce and scaling up of digital marketing. Thank you.
Did you talk to anybody during the week? Any business
So
transaction?
what happened to the presentation?
Yeah, presentation will come, introduction.
No, the introduction slides were there on the presentation. You're not using that, is it?
I will be taking in the education slot.
No, so yesterday I sent you the presentation, right? The presentation which you used last time, what happened to that?
So we need to discuss that. अभी करेंगे उसको, repeat हो जाएगा.
यार पहले कर देते तो at least I would have managed that, right?
Then you go ahead with that.
No, I cannot go ahead. I have not scheduled accordingly. Fair enough. You carry on with it now.
So,
Mithilesh Jha.
Can I continue with that?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure.
Achha. So I had discussions with 4 people. Aarti ji se hamara baat hua tha, and thank you so much, Aarti ji, for your valuable inputs. And you know what, the best thing which I like, I'll just take couple of seconds. I'm trying to be in the slot thing. Apart from the professional advice, she gave me personal advices also. So I really liked it, and thank you so much, Aarti, for that. So and then I had a discussion with Bankim ji. अभी जी निकल रहा है, वो हटा दूंगा मैं कुछ दिन के बाद. अतुल जी से बात हुआ था और धर्मिष्ठा जी से बात हुआ था.
Thank you. Dipankar.
Namaskar to all.
Namaskar.
Myself, my name is Dipankar Parashar. I'm based out of Gurgaon, and I am from the domain of international freight, logistics, and custom brokerage. We distribute your cargoes, remove your cargoes from anywhere in India to anywhere in the world and bring it back to your doorstep as well. I'm a father of 2 boys, and my wife, she's a teacher with the Delhi Public School, Gurgaon. And we live at Gurgaon, and we have started our offices full time from 3rd of June onwards. And with regards to my discussions with anybody, I just happened to talk to Sabyasachi only this week by chance for some work purpose, because we exchanged certain businesses. I gave him certain businesses and leads which have been qualified, and he has secured those businesses. But unfortunately, he's not here today, and we all know the reason. बाकी मेरा और किसी से बात नहीं हुआ, and we are setting up the new procedures after 3 months of lockdown, so we'll get organized. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Mithilesh Jha.
नमस्कार, मैं मिथिलेश झा, इंटरनेशनल फ्रेट फॉरवर्डिंग में हम लोग इंटरनेशनल लॉजिस्टिक्स में पिछले 10-12 साल से में जो दीपांकर पराशर जी करते हैं, सेम काम हम लोगों का है, और स्पेशली थर्ड कंट्री शिपमेंट पे आजकल हम लोग ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं। अदर देन दैट, 2 बच्चों के फादर हैं, तृप्ति एंड सत्यम, और नेहरू प्लेस में मेरी ऑफिस है, सिंगापुर में अपनी ऑफिस है, और चाइना में हमारा वेयर हाउस है। चाइना वेयर हाउस अभी जो है इसके साथ कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है, ये त्योहार होने वाली है, लेकिन होपफुली कि अगर ये नहीं होता है तो वो हमारे बिजनेस के लिए काफी बढ़िया होता है। इसके अलावा मेडिकल गुड्स की कंपनियों का हम लोग काफी काम कर रहे हैं अभी, और अगर कोई मेडिकल गुड्स की कंपनियों का रेफरेंस हो तो हमारे लिए बहुत बढ़िया होगा। लास्ट वीक में सतपति जी से मेरी बात हुई है, कुछ एक्सचेंज भी हुए हैं, रेफरेंस हमने काम भी साथ कुछ किया है। अदर देन दैट, अतुल जी से मेरी 2-3 बार बात हुई वीक में। ये है पिछले सप्ताह का। थैंक यू।
सर राजेश पंडित।
Namaskar everybody. I'm Rajesh Pandit. So I'm a founder, director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited. Ours is an IT company and are into development of web and mobile applications. We have worked all across the globe with the best companies in their own domains, and must have done more than 500 small big projects. Some of our services are in e-commerce solutions, reward management, learning management, Salesforce, automation, CRM, and wide range of customized solutions. Yeah, so that's it for me. And this week, so I have not been able to contribute.
Okay. Next, Aarti, have you finished with your intro?
I can always introduce myself whenever get a chance. Hi, Namaskar. Advocate Aarti Bhalla this side. I'm based out of Gurgaon. I am into litigation, any kind of legal dispute, advice, anything you need regarding any kind of matter doesn't really pertain to any particular field, but we expertise in litigation basically. जिसमें चाहे मैट्रिमोनियल हो, सिविल हो, क्रिमिनल हो, any kind of registration, property disputes, corporate disputes, anything you can come to us for an advisory or the further case for that. And this is one of my field. The second is, which is my husband's. We are into manufacturing, corporate and industrial reform, and we do customization also. We have a big range of products, and I've already given a presentation about it. And this week, yes, I had a face-to-face with Amit. He had a legal issue, which I have guided upon him, and he's already given a feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yogesh ji.
Yeah, good morning. Namaskar. So my name is Yogesh Wadhwani, and I represent my company Ishwil Medicom Private Limited. I'm into hospital infection control, based out of Delhi. I've been in this business for the past 10 years, and the objective is to provide training to all the hospitals and their staffs on what to do and not to do, how to reduce the infections, and subsequently prevent and reduce the deaths that happen in the hospitals for the patients who acquire these infections from the hospitals. Apart from that, I also provide the products that are required to reduce these infections that involve disinfectants, sanitizers, equipments, like fogging equipments, for sterilization equipments, as well as these gowns, masks, and all that stuff that is being sold nowadays. I have not had any meetings this week, and yes, I will be having one meeting which we are scheduled with Mitlesh Jha, so that I will conclude it this week. Thank you.
Thank you. Naveen Gill.
Namaskar everyone. Very good morning. I don't know if that was allowed, so I missed that discussion. So really great being here. And I'm a project CTO for something called Project Gospel, which is into preventive scams and frauds arena. Apart from that, I'm a business manager for Insight Group, so founding partner and business manager. So I take care of those parts. Activities through the week, those have been interaction with Atulji, and I've had interaction with Sri Vidya ma'am, that is from Pure Energy Academy. And I look forward to interacting with each one of us pretty soon. Thank you.
Yeah, Dharmishta.
Namaskar, Sajjano. Married to a money multiplier, mother to a 14-year-old teen. This is Dharmishta Shah, leading financial advisor. Based in Mumbai, services pan-India into insurance, mutual fund, Mediclaim and wills since last 18 years. Generated a revenue through Sukhdeepak ji of 7K this week. Had a brief conversation with Amit and Dipti. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Deepti Srivastava.
Namaskar everyone. Myself Deepti Srivastava, mother of 2 college-going kids and a furry baby, married to a superman. Professionally, I'm a qualified electrical engineer, but from last 17 years, I'm following my passion of cooking and supporting corporates and individuals for their parties and events with our delicious food. And I'm based in Gurgaon, and nowadays I'm supplying, doing home deliveries for corporates and individuals because of lockdown. That's all. And I did 2 face-to-face with Dharmishta and Aarti.
Thank you. Amit Singh. Amit, are you there? Mr. Vijay Shah.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Vijay Shah from Mumbai. I'm from the insurance auditor. We are the veteran in the field of insurance for last 45 years. We offer A to Z services in the field of insurance, from the sourcing the customized Mediclaim policies to the claim settlements. And very soon there are the 20 lakhs or almost insurance agents in the country compared to 425 brokers. So very soon we'll be joining the fray of the brokers in the country, exceptional field where only the specialist person works. We'll be offer all the services from the insurance, ranging from, again to say, from sourcing the policy to the claim settlement. And mainly we are specialized in the field of the property insurance and the health insurance. Thank you very much.
Did you interact with anybody?
In fact, when Mr. Sripath Kulkarni joined our this inner circle, he was not knowing about the inner Rajesh Budraja. He's in the manufacturing of the HPSS ducts. I introduced him to the Budraja, and to Budraja, I gave the reference of Mr. Sripath Kulkarni. This happened about 1 week back. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Rajesh Budiraja.
Yeah, hi, good morning. So Rajesh Budraja, I'm based out of New Delhi. By education, I am a chemical engineer from IIT Kharagpur. And I have worked for about 42 years in the industry, corporate world, companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd, Roots Cooling. My competence areas, technical competence areas are air conditioning, natural ventilation, indoor air quality. I am a father of two grown-up sons. One is in the US, one is in Prague. Both of them are married. My wife Anita, she's into digital marketing, a very passionate person about nature, and she's got me hooked on to nature too. And I love enjoying looking at the plants and the beautiful flowers these days. So my attention is focused onto nature now. So that's it. I'm a passionate learner. Last 2-3 months, I've been a lot into the learning mode, and I'm acquiring new associates to see how I can fill up my basket, and there've been good success in that. So thank you. It's great being here.
Thank you. Mr. Subdipak Malwai. You have to unmute yourself.
All right. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुखदीपक मलवाई है और पिछले 30 सालों से मैं कम से कम 17-18 मुल्कों में ट्रेनिंग्स और कोचिंग कर रहा हूं, जिससे लोग और जो बड़ी बड़ी संस्थाएं होती हैं उनके अंदर परिवर्तन आ सके. Alright? So in 1982, a person who used to hate anything to do with teaching and training decided or discovered that, you know, this is what I'd like to do, because I realized how much is possible and how much there is a need for people for some support. You know, we are so unconscious to it. Even yesterday, I was talking to an entrepreneur who's got 5 businesses. Okay. And at the end of the conversation, he discovered why he was feeling so restless. Okay. And he decided to do something new, which will take care of his restlessness. So there are innumerable examples. Now, I also am quite experienced, having worked in the pharmaceutical industry in a German multinational company before all this. By profession, I started as a computer programmer in 1974. And this variety of experiences, plus the experiences of bringing up 3 boys. So my eldest son is 44 years old, who runs the advertising business. My second son is a very, very famous DJ who does international work, including weddings of Deepika Padukone and Ambani's and Lakshmi Mittal and all that. And my third son is a corporate lawyer, just like, you know, he's in the same profession as Aarti Bhalla, though he works for a company called Trilegal. So I've had a lot of experiences bringing up these boys too. So that's what I bring to the table. Last week, I had the fortune of speaking with Dharmishta, and she helped me to pull in at least 50 people to the first session of my Get What You Want masterclass. So thank you very much, Aditi. And that's what I paid her for. I'm looking forward to meet each one of you, you know, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ है सीखने के लिए आप लोगों से. All right. तो कुछ एनर्जी हो सकती है, तो कम से कम फोन पे या you know Zoom पे एक बारी बात तो कर ही सकते हैं. So I'm looking forward to that, and I will be in touch with you. Thank you, Atul, for the opportunity to be a part of this inner circle. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. G.S. Ahuja.
Thank you, Sukhdeepak ji.
Hello. So I am G.S. Ahuja, based out of staying in Noida. I am a chartered accountant by qualification, but I'm more active into consulting side now. I have offices in Delhi, Bombay, and Noida. This is the first time I'm here, so I'm more in the absorption mode.
Okay, fine. Mr. Shripat Kulkarni.
Yeah, this is Shripat Kulkarni from Nasik, Maharashtra. I'm a small-scale enterprise runner, I can say. In heat, ventilation, and air conditioning, I would like to get connected with Mr. Budharaja and Honorable Mr. Sukhdeepak ji, as they are into pharmaceutical. They have connects in pharmaceutical. We are doing work for pharmaceutical companies, automobile companies, and switchgear companies. We are into sheet metal assemblies and fabrication required for heat, ventilation, and air conditioning, as well as automobile and solar, as well as switchgear industry. I have one more passion. I'm here to learn more from high net worth individuals like you, how you achieved the success. And I'm passionate friend of Atul Puri. I would like to follow him. The way he gathers people all over the world and speaks with them, understands them well, doesn't go driven by any passion promoted to him, but he has his own enthusiasm and direction. And I'm just interested to follow him. What he does, I want to learn. I'm learning from him. How a person like Budaraja and Ahuja and Mishraji and Malwai are getting connected, and
yes, sir. We'll have the interaction, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Ravinder Mishra.
Good morning, everybody. This is my second meeting in Inner Circle. Courtesy Atulji. I am an ex-government employee. Served 35 years in Ministry of Communication and IT, and TRI as Additional Secretary Government of India. At present, I am running a small consultancy firm which advises the telcos in the regulatory compliances, license compliances, A to Z, all related in telecom field. Thank you. I didn't have any interaction with this group. I'm trying to learn more and more. First, I'm not used to this kind of environment. This is second week for me, and I feel that I'm getting more and more. At least I'm coming to the real world. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Anybody left with? Yeah, let me introduce myself. I am Sanjeev Ahuja. I am in the business of motor car servicing. I have a workshop, Motor Aids, and Sector 53, Gurugram. I am, with the help of Dipankar and other people, I have got into another one. This is a Go Mechanic workshop. Go Mechanic workshop, we do all kind of car servicing, repairs, denting, painting, and everything. Okay, thank you all for the introduction. And let me just tell you about eGrowth Inner Circle. eGrowth Inner Circle is a leverage platform in B2B ecosystem, a business membership organization. We exist to empower and enable businesses through collaboration, excellence, and opportunities. We do this through online platform, business promotion, and buyer-seller interactions, events of business development, consulting, coaching, training, etc. We also collaborate with other government and non-government agencies to promote local, national, and international businesses. eGrowth International, eGrowth Inner Circle is by invitation only, active environment for B2B engagement based on problem-solving methodology and distributed consulting model. Today we have the Create session. Create stands for C for the challenges of the business, R for resolution, E for enablement, A for analysis, T for building the trust, and E for empowerment. Today the Create session will be taken by Naveen. Naveen, please introduce yourself in detail, tell about your business, family and everything, then you go ahead with your presentation. Thank you.
I'd just like to add one thing here. The first E in Create is empathy. Okay. Now, empathy is something which is very, very, very important to really allow somebody to speak, to allow somebody to give the best what's there within him. All right. This is another element which you need to take back to your businesses. Yeah, Naveen, please.
Right. So thanks, Atulji, and once again, morning everyone. So I had a brief introduction earlier. So in detail, I've been into technology for the past 10 years. We have started and have been successfully managing our own data centers since back in 2013, when while right now most of the technology has shifted to the cloud, we still maintain an in-house data center and still take care majority of the security and projects which are on cyber focused into consideration. And keeping that in mind, we like to house all of the data in our own data centers. So that's on the technology side. Then the main thing that I believe, the main challenge, I believe the technology part and the whole experience would come together as I speak more and share more. Since 2018, I've been taking care of something called Project Gospel. So diving there straightly into the product or the business and the challenges itself. Project Gospel is a project which is helping right now is only proactive solution in the market for individuals such as me and you on a personal level to take care of scams and frauds that we come across maybe every day. Maybe we know somebody in the family who has gotten scammed by a digital method or a non-digital method of which there is no record. And when an individual in a country such as India, we go to law enforcement or we reach out to legal remedies, or we file court cases, there are very long battles. So I'm sure there are empaneled lawyers like Aarti ma'am and there was one person more, so who is into legal professionals. So it takes a long time, and by the time the whole case itself loses the relevance that it once had, right? So with that in mind, I believe I'll just start with the presentation. It's a short presentation of just 10 slides. And post that, we could get into the direct challenge mode. And I think I can share the challenge in the initial steps itself so that we look at that presentation with that eye itself. So the challenge or the deliberation that I look forward to do, which is something, it would be so internal that some of people might be, I don't know, like whether it has been done earlier or not. So we are deliberating currently, do keep this thing in mind while we are going through the presentation, that do we go in and raise funding for this project, or do we stay bootstrapped? So at this time, we are developing it all in-house and we are doing it all bootstrapped. And we are looking into, like many people have approached us. We raised a round of angel funding for the project, and we got into the VC mindset as well. Now we are again reconsidering those options. So keeping that in mind, I believe I'll just start the presentation. And then I look forward to you all who are experienced enough to share whether it makes sense to stay bootstrapped, build some more revenue, especially in the COVID times, or just go and maybe find a good person who can invest and do the jump start. That's how we do. So let me quickly share my screen. So in case I'm not audible enough or there are certain aspects which might be unclear, please let me know and I'll be glad to take care of it. All right, I'm gonna...
And Naveen, your presentation.
You will need to open the presentation first and then search for it. No?
Right, Atulji, the presentation though is open, but I'm on a Mac because not on the main system. So, okay. So Zoom was asking for special permissions.
Okay. Did you send the presentation to Atul also?
Sanjeevji, no, because it contains some of the confidential material, so we were not comfortable sharing that forward. but I'll definitely, because that's how it looks like that would have to be done.
You can start talking about it.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll have the second screen that is open in front of me. And because I'm on a Mac, so there are some security challenges, and we just today upgraded Zoom. So maybe that is the thing, right? So the project website, I think I'll take through everybody at a later stage. So do apologize for the inconvenience and the matter at hand. So the first slide is the project gospel itself. A tagline is that we protect us. So it's the whole idea behind gospel is when I receive maybe a scam call or a fraud person reaches out to me and possibly tries to sell a product or something like that, right now there is no centralized portal wherein you can put those details, and while you just put the proof forward and the individual is or those details are shared with everyone else, so that everyone else is aware and helping us create a central database. So that is our first tagline. The first slide is all about this, that our main aim is to protect, to help you report, and then possibly resolve those situations, right? And the second slide is about us. So we all got formalized in March of 2019. That's when we launched. And in June 2019, we got angel funded. And with our primary focus on eliminating scams and frauds, as we know, as we see, and as we know, like every day you would see in newspapers or somewhere on television. There are, in COVID situation, there have been cases wherein the donation messages or there was PMY account, Prime Minister Care Self-Care Fund accounts, those all those situations or those account numbers, those were forged, and then messages were spread, and people were doing donations in those forged accounts. So I don't know whether something happened on that or not, right? So that is what we plan to eliminate. On the third slide, what we have is our problem slide, or the current problem for scams and frauds is that these scams are cross-border online scams and frauds. So there is no jurisdiction that you can possibly go into. I personally, right now, I'm based in Gurgaon. So a person could be scamming me from West Bengal, could be from Odisha, could be from any place, could be from Rajasthan. And it all happens online. So for those online frauds, that is what we are taking in the first go. For that, there is no repository that I can personally make, or some central jurisdiction or a central person whom we can reach out to take care of that. Second problem that is in the current scenarios is that incidents are reported privately. So in case I personally get scammed, apart from going to law enforcement or any place else, like those, nowadays people are starting to take up into social media, that they are getting vocal about it. But beyond that, on a bigger scale, if the scam is of a bigger amount, right? So people are doing the reports privately. So nobody's coming forward, nobody's sharing those details. And third problem, and the biggest challenge I believe, is that the law enforcement agencies are swamped with complaints, be it India, be it US, be it UK, be it Australia. So at every place, the agencies don't have the time to respond to an individual's problem or an individual scenario. The amount could be big, right? But still, they don't have that much time. So to sum it up, there is one graphic that we have made, and that is that in today's scenario, there is a single scam and there are thousands of victims, because you, me, have no way to authenticate, okay, whether that offer, whether that email, whether that notification that I have received is genuine or not. Now, quickly coming to our solution that we brought. So on the next slide we have is, we have made a proactive validation platform, which is all digital, and it with the aim to provide 30 seconds validation. So you put in the details, you share that, okay, this is the product, this is the person whom I am getting into business with, this is the product that I'm thinking to buy. And within 30 seconds, we aim for 30 seconds. As of now, the cases are there. It depends on the complexity of the situation as well. But in that, what we do is we find out, okay, whether that offer, whether that communication is authentic or not. If there is a backend issue as such, or if there is a historical trail of things that have been in the right form, or in sort of validate, okay, if there are any red herrings or if there is any warning that you should adhere to. So that is what we do. And then a proactive solution, what we are doing is we are building a global search engine of scams and frauds, so that you would know that if you receive something like similar offer, I'll take up the chat. So something of a similar offer, has anybody been scammed into this, or are you the first one getting into it, right? And then there is a second element that we have added into our solution is the fearless reporting of scams and frauds. So there is an option that you stay anonymous. You don't have to reveal details about you. You simply report that, okay, this is what has happened. This is the proof that I have. It could be a video call. It could be a screenshot of a chat. So our team would be validating all of it internally, and then we put it forward. And then with that, our whole aim is to increase the cost per scam attempt. So right now, many of us, I believe somebody did share that in January, there was a movie or a series on Netflix called Jamtara. And in that, what happens is people go ahead, they buy SIM cards in bulk, maybe hundreds, 500s, and then they start making calls, right? So the core difference, I believe that I can bring it up here, that while Truecaller is there to help us identify, okay, who is calling you, that product is not built from ground up to protect you from scams and frauds. So even today, if that number is doing scams, so it would take at least 10 or 15 or 20 people to notify that, okay, this person is trying to do a scam, this person is a fraudster, or this number is calling me to scam me up. It would take them maybe 20 attempts to then figure out that, okay, something is going wrong, and then to highlight it to you that, okay, that's a red herring or a warning kind of sign. So with Gospel, the app is in production. So we are getting it developed at the moment. What will happen is the moment if I receive that call and I get to know that, okay, this is a scam person calling, so we are going to block that phone number from our network. So people who have installed Project Gospel or the Gospel app on their phone is not even going to ring for that specific phone number, right? So that is the one thing. That is our solution that we are trying to build in the first go itself. Now our core, our website is right now live at the-gospel.space, and we want to empower everyone to identify scams and frauds so that nobody becomes a victim again. And we are trying to solve the biggest digital trust challenge by making turnkey solutions, so that this functionality, we can have a discussion, this can be integrated at any portal, right? Whether you are customer facing, you receive maybe a very lucrative offer, a business proposal that, okay, let's do this together. And first, you simply have to, right now you may or may not have that information about that person, right? You may or may not know that person. So you come to Gospel, you let us know that, okay, this is what I've received. Is it validated? Should I get into it or not? So we'll help you out in figuring that, okay, this is the one thing that you can get into, right? And now the next slide, which is what we do. Our project, or the main goal is to have for every scam, there should only be, at the maximum, there should be one victim. So whenever, if I become a victim, I simply quickly go to Gospel and report that, okay, this is how I've been scammed. This is the email, this is the phone number, this is where I transfer the money. So that everybody can become aware that, okay, this is something that is in the go. The way it is the COVID thing, everybody knows that, okay, this is a virus and that's how deadly it is. So same way, a scam or a fraudster should have that sort of visibility or that sort of marketing that that person would not get the chance again to do the same thing to somebody else, right? And we have the three elements to it. So one, we protect you by the phone app, we protect you, then we provide the Gospel report. That is a portal that is being developed so that you can easily report scams and scam attempts. And then we also resolve. So we also assist victims who may or may not be assisted by law enforcement agencies to figure out that, okay, if this thing can be taken care of. Addressable market size, it is quite big. So it is for cybercrime only, it was $450 billion in 2016, and it is projected to go up to 5 trillion year on year in 2021. And as of now, there is just a single solution that we see to this problem, and that is Gospel. So there are things called Trustpilot. There are things called Scam Advisor. But all of it is, while they say that they are okay, artificial intelligence based, the problem with AI at this time is that we don't have enough trainable data to cater to or identify those data sets in the first go. That okay, this one call is a scam call, so there is no way. So there has to be manual validation of that effort, and that is where majorly costs are involved. And I'll just finally, the last slide I would add is the current state in which we have a screenshot of international ICPIN. So it is an organization that protects consumers in US. So international consumer protection and resolution, some kind of that's a entity that is from US. And here what we add on that screenshot is that in their terms and services, like when you're reporting that to that, so econsumer.gov, that is the portal for US citizens who want to get the situations resolved. So we took the example of US because if this is the situation in US, how is it going to be in India, right? So directly from the terms and conditions, what happens is they say that if you submitted a complaint, you can update and correct it with this complaint number. Although your complaint will be accessible to numerous government agencies, it may or may not be accessed by them. And in highlights we have, you should not necessarily expect any agency to pursue your complaint. So many government agencies bring lawsuit to prevent the public at large, but do not intervene on behalf of individual consumers. So that is
Naveen, we lost you.
Presentation. Yeah.
Right. What are the challenges in your business, sir?
Right.
Name one challenge which we want to discuss.
Yes. So the one challenge or the issue at hand is, do we stay bootstrapped? We keep generating the revenue side, or do we go in for angel investment, more angel investment, or venture out funding? So that is the main challenge at the moment.
Amit, would you like to comment about it? Yeah, please go ahead.
Naveen, I have a question for you. What is the team size you have?
The team size right now we have 12.
12. And how many co-founders?
We have 3 co-founders.
Okay. So I would say the timing is very right for this kind of a project.
Okay.
Because everything is now going to online, and our country is also moving in technology space. So I think the timing is right, and you have identified the problem very well. And
thank you. Yeah.
So to scale up, or maybe to to cater to a large number of consumers, 3 things are important. One is definitely the timing has to be right, because any project which is ahead of time dies after some time, because you have to bootstrap a lot. And I would say that if to get a funding, there are a couple of things which you have to keep in mind. What exactly you want to achieve. So if you want to achieve scale, and if you want to really make it for the entire, you want to take it global or for the country, then you should try and see that if you can get funding. Because very soon all these international companies are going to come and occupy this space.
Right.
So I would say that you should pursue that vision.
Right. So that is one. So the plan is to have a rollout in India first, and then maybe down the line, maybe in 21 or 22, roll it out globally. So that is the major concern. There are expenses on the data science side that we need to take care of.
So is that
thanks a lot.
Is that was your question, that should you take a funding or not? Is that was the question?
Yes. So that is one aspect to it. Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Mr. Gill.
Hi, Sukhdeep Bachi.
Are you already offering this service?
Yes, it is right now live. Though it need to be polished at the moment, but yes. So we to add there is one element to the way we look at scams and frauds as well. So I'll share one example. It would be open to everyone to comment whether it's whether we consider it a scam or not. So on the technology side, we have one small example that there is an SSL certificate that needs to be installed on every website so that it shows that, okay, it is an HTTPS secure website. Yeah. It's a safe one. So there is something called CertBot that is in the Linux side. So essentially those SSL certificates are issued for 90 days and those are free. So they get renewed automatically. And GoDaddy, on the other hand, sold to somebody who was their customer an SSL certificate worth 11,000 rupees. So that's a that can be termed as legitimate business as well. That, okay, that's an enterprise choice to do that. And possibly that single customer was not aware that, okay, this thing is actually free. If I go to this place, then there is no cost that I have to pay for it. But in India, they paid 11,000 to get an SSL cert. Now, that is one example on the technology side. On second side, it is from Amazon. So a product that was listed on Amazon for 3,000. It was a simple UPS, a home solution UPS. That was available at a local shop. The person was able to move just 500 meters away, and it was available for 2,000 rupees. So is it the kind of like scam that is running without anybody hampering it, or is it business? So it is open for everybody to decide.
Okay, so I've understood what you do, Gil, and thank you. This SSL thing is very useful for me because I was in the process of buying a SSL from GoDaddy, and thank God I'm not going to spend 11,000 rupees. So thank you for that. But now I'm thinking that if I have to, as your fellow member, I mean, what is it that you need at this moment? So I can understand one thing: you want to upscale your business,
right?
Right?
That's true. That's true. Yes.
Okay, good. So to upscale your business, what do you need right now?
Okay, so right now we are looking at people on the data science, on the team building side, and then on the revenue side as well. Yes, so that is
so you
people
want
building.
People.
That
and when you say revenue side means what? To generate more revenues to your side, or to have more capital? Can you be a little specific on that?
Revenue would be good, but we know that it would take time for things to flow in. So that is where the core question is at the moment for us is whether do we keep staying bootstrapped and keep developing it further and take care of and build on the revenue side, or do we pick up the venture funding, which is difficult, possibly difficult in these COVID times, but we can definitely look into that.
Not necessarily. So to upscale, you have some idea about the funds you need.
Oh yes, we do.
Okay.
So it is on the quite higher side. We are looking at national rollout, at least in India. So it is in CRs. So we do have. So that whole
servers and all you need.
Yes. So it is primarily for data investment. So see, I'll share that. Yes, the hardware part, and then for team building, so that we are able to reduce the turnaround time for the query that gets generated.
So would you be interested in somebody who may take a stake in your company if he wants to invest?
Yes, we are definitely open to it.
Okay. I'll speak to someone. Can you just send me a paragraph about what you specifically do, right? Okay. A very small one. So I can send it to a friend of mine who runs 3 companies and he's always looking for, in fact, I have 2-3 friends who run big companies. One of them has set up many companies in India and abroad. So this seems like a project he might be interested in.
Okay.
I'll make an effort. Yeah, let's find out. I could probably use my contacts to help you out.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thanks. Thanks,
Thank you. Mr. Rajesh Pandit, would you like to comment on it? You'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Naveen, so one is that, so I just got it. So last time also it was on, so you have just given the presentation. It was beautiful. Right. And the concept itself is very good and innovative. And as we are going forward with all kind of businesses, so we just need such a setup where, which is a foolproof kind of a system and where people can rely on it. Now, there's one, say, as right now, as you are going, so what is your revenue stream currently? So are you just drawing any revenue, or currently, so you are just trying to build up the reputation? So that is one. And so the question, what I just think, so if you are going, this is a big solution, so it can't, so you can't achieve it by generating revenue at this point of time, unless and until, so you build up that kind of a brand. And once you do that, so you will have a large flow of inquiries and people, and then you can just encash that. I just understand that. So what is the kind of fund you are looking at, so where you feel comfortable enough to serve guys?
Okay, so we are talking about the funding amount.
Yes, one is that, so you're just trying to build up the infrastructure, you're just trying to build up the scale so that you can have more and more cases. And also, so apart from that infrastructure, you will need to build a branding part of it, where more and more people can come about it. So there's a lot of education which will go into it. Yeah, so you have to just take care of that also. Yeah.
So for that, the amount that we are currently looking at, it's somewhere close to 5 to 10 CR. That is the broader picture. And on the, when I say like the bootstrapped and generating revenue, so there are multiple solutions we are looking at as well. So one of the solution is going crowdfunding rounds, right? Rather than picking up one big investor, we go for crowdfunding. It will just be what, 999 rupees or 1,000 rupees each person. And even if we then multiply it to 10 lakh people who just simply join in, we help give them services, and then they in the longer term become a partner in whatever sense, right? So that in itself is 100 CR generated. So that is one side of it. So that is the scale we are looking at to expand. Again, in that side only. So I hope I answered the question. If not, please let me know.
Mitlesh wanted to say something. Mitlesh?
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah.
वो चीज बेसिक क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि हम लोग भी इसी दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, तो शायद मैं एक
Bit louder, मिथिलेश.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आ रही है. बोलिए मिथिलेश जी.
मिथिलेश जी, possibly network.
हम लोग भी फंड के
आई थिंक उनका चैलेंज हो रहा कुछ कनेक्टिविटी का. आई थिंक श्रीपद कुलकर्णी जो है, श्रीपद कुलकर्णी ने काफी देर पहले से रेल किया हुआ है.
राइट, लेट मी.
यस श्रीपद. या गिल साहब, आपका ये योर आइडिया इज रियली गुड एंड इट इज अ नीड ऑफ आवर. आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू to tell the correct revenue model of your project. So how you are going to grow your money, means how you are going to earn out of it.
Okay.
That is one. Number two, there are different kind of frauds going on after COVID, means this online education system and information system. The course available at 5,000 rupees is being given at 500 rupees. Course available at 50,000 rupees is being given at 5,000 rupees. Just swap your card and get the things. And finally, the person swaps. Maybe amount is small, 99 rupees. And thousands of people are swapping it, and we don't know what happens to that 99 and 199. So that also need to be added to your project. That is one thing. And revenue model, I'm asking. I can connect you to one angel fund person, and definitely you can pitch your project in front of him.
All right, thanks Shripadji. So
Naveen, can we collaborate with someone who already is into a similar field, and at least half of the costs of the data sciences and all is taken care of, and they further go ahead with the rest of the fundings?
Oh, definitely. We can look into it, but the challenge is that the project in itself, like if you go on the internet and right now search for it, there is no, like as such, there is no other project that is taking care of these things at that scale. So
No,
for
no,
banks,
I'm not saying exactly your project, because of course then why would someone buy your project if they're already taking care of? So, I mean, a collaboration will always say, suppose I say that I am a civil litigation lawyer. So, I would like to collaborate with a criminal litigation lawyer. You understand? So, we are both going to the court. We are both into litigation.
Totally.
But we are taking care of two different products. So, that is what I'm saying. Your product be different. The other person's who's already established has capacity to fund. He has a database also.
No, Arthur, that is point well taken. But the challenge here is of the mindset. Like when you go with the corporate mindset, it is one about making money, right? So this is where the fundamental challenge is. The gospel is about protecting your pocket, protecting us as consumers, because we might be right now, everybody sitting here could be millionaires, billionaires, right? But how is it going to protect us? And there is a very good example that I give to many people, and that is, KD, aapne, I don't know, like whether it would work in Hindi or not. So if you buy a Mercedes, let's say 2 crore ki aapne gaadi khareed li, but at the end you have to drive on the same roads, and when there are 5 nanos, like Tata ki nano gaadi hai, jiski total cost could be just 10 lakhs. When they are blocking your way forward, you cannot just crush them, right? You have to collaborate, or you have to, play with them, right? So it is like this project is where, when we are talking about consumers, most of us with this age, we all would have gotten scammed. Chahe wo amount chota ho, 1000 rupees ka. The challenge for a big corporate who has built that data center or that data house is that from single customer, they are looking to get a revenue of at least 1 lakh rupees. And coming to Sripadji's, so for us is that maybe it is a tiering based, and our most expensive product is going to be of 5,000 rupees. So we can definitely look at upscaling the price, but that is where, so there are people who provide the services, KPMG, Deloitte, they all provide this due diligence services, but they provide it to big consumers. Ki aapke paas agar 2 crore ki investment kar rahe hain, then you can pay them 5 lakh rupees, they can do the due diligence for you. But what about an investment of 2 lakh rupees? Who is going to do the due diligence for you? There is no agency as such, jinke paas aap ja sakte. So the total focus on consumer, that is missing. So that's where the challenge is.
I deal with it almost every day. And we just had one incident in my own home also. So it was very bad.
Oh.
Very, very bad.
So I've got a suggestion. See, we're running out of time. I've got a suggestion. All of you who want to, who got some points to share, please give out your name so that Naveen can get in touch with you and take those questions offline or those inputs offline, because these are important and these are not going to get completed in half a minute. So one I can see Yogesh is there. Vijay is there. Anybody else?
Yes. Dharmishta ma'am also.
Right. Anybody else?
Amit.
Yeah, Amit.
Naveen, I'll just complete it in some time. My point is, whatever points Sukhdev-ji and Sripad-ji have covered, I just need a mail on it, because funding will help you there. So I just need a mail from you, a strong mail on the 5 points.
Fine. We will take this later. So see, we've already overshot the time.
Yeah.
The idea was, so these are 4 people. Okay, Naveen, you need to get in touch with them. Others have already shared with you.
Atul, shall I say one thing?
Sir, we've run short of time. We'll have to take it later. Okay, we're already at 9:15. We need to complete this by 9:25, and the other presentation is also due.
Right.
Okay? Yeah, thanks.
Absolutely. So thanks a lot, Atulji.
Even I wanted, so, and also I want to share some things. I'll speak to you later. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Atul, a small point, not because I'm in the field of insurance, but probably in the field of a scam and everything, there is a cyber security insurance which can help everybody.
Fine. Okay. Sanjeev, can you please start with your presentation?
Yeah. Can
you want me to show it, or you will?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. We are going to talk about Inner Circle. We want to know how we started, where are we, what to do next. And also we'll tell you who all are there and who's the team, and shortly somebody else is going to take over. We would request that please give in our inputs to Atul. Okay, we start with the Inner Circle presentation. Inner Circle is by invitation only. I mean, it is just not that you have a Zoom ID and you just log it in and you are part of it. You cannot be that. And offline also, it is once you put up your application, it is screened by the committee. After the committee approves it, they come and meet you at your business place when in non-COVID times. And today we'll have a video conference, and once we approve it and the committee approves it, you become a member of it. Next. Atul is the founder. He's been there in this industry for quite some time. For last 6 years, he's been running eGrowth. And eGrowth, apart from that, he was there in corporate for two decades, and he's done a wonderful job. I don't have to introduce him. Everybody knows about it. Atul is ably supported by Ronika Bhatia, who's the admin manager. Thank you. Next slide. Yeah. At present, we are myself. I'm looking after as a president, and Aarti is doing a wonderful job. She takes care of everything, and ably supported by me. Yeah. These are the mentors. These people, Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai, he's already there in this group at present. Mr. G.V. Kumar, who's a specialist in psychology. Mr. Kiran Jurani is from US. He's an authority in IT strategy, and you can get to know him more about it from his LinkedIn account. Mr. Sanjay Lal, he's in Canada. We just want to tell you how in this eGrowth inner circle, we have not only these members who are there in the city or in the state, pan-India, as well as all over the world. Next. How we started this inner circle, it got created around 6 months back. I took up the ownership of the new structure. I mean, it was all proposed by Atul. We had a meeting at Connaught Place at 38 Barracks, and I mean, there were some people, learned people, who advised me to take over it. Another meeting was hosted by Rajesh Pandit. We wanted to have inner circle meetings, category region-wise, Gurgaon, South Delhi, North Delhi, West Delhi, Mumbai, and other places. And just a history of it. Another meeting was hosted by Rajesh Pandit, where the structure was frozen, how it is to be done, modalities were done. Then there was a eGrowth mixer, which was done at my workshop, and a lot of people had come over there. Next slide. I'm just giving you the brief background so that you come to know what you are into. Manish Jain, who's into medical, Karandeep, they had a mixer in their office, and they were to start the West Delhi thing, and Shyamji was helping Mandeep in doing the South Delhi thing. On 24th January, we had the first inner circle meeting in Gurugram at Augusta Point, and many people came over there. After lockdown, we started everything online, and now we are into weekly presentations. As I look back, it has been an awesome journey. It is all because of people like you who has extended a helping hand to me that I have been able to do it. Next. Yeah, why you should be in inner circle. This is very important. There are many groups, there are many management groups, business groups, networking groups. You should understand what goes behind the inner circle in eGrowth. You get to operate out of your comfort space. I mean, it is just not that people are asking you, when you have a create session, you're talking about your challenges of your business. It's not easy for a businessman to come and tell that मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा और मैं ये नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? This happens with us every week. We practice create teams in unfamiliar spaces. We want you to go more productive. Once you know what is your shortcomings, and there are people who are ably advising you, there are mentors who are helping you. I mean, if you do it large companies like take KPMG and other consulting companies, they hire. We cannot go into that kind of things. This is very ably supported by Inner Circle. And most important is that you can practice it that in the workplace, what you see over here. The presentations out here, the education out here, everything is that you can take it right back into your business and implement that. And I'm sure you will find it very attractive. And you will get coaching from experts. These experts will let you know how to go ahead. Today I am very inspired by Naveen. Naveen would be half my age, and I'm into IT for quite some time. But I feel Naveen is doing a wonderful job. I mean, this is a pain for all of us. Customer का फोन आता है यार, मेरा पूरा डेटा का डेटा चला गया, रैंसमवेयर ने अटैक कर दिया, कहीं से कुछ हो गया, मैं तो स्वाइप कर रहा था कार्ड, मेरा पूरा पैसा निकल गया अकाउंट से. The wonderful thing, Naveen, and this is all what we learn from Inner Circle. Next slide. Inner Circle is for the business community. It's not only a sales group, it is a business group, and it's different. I mean, it is not just passing referrals. It is consulting, it is helping, it is educating. Everything is there in that. In a typical sales group, you keep posting offers and never take pain to read it. हमारे पास भी कितने WhatsApp ग्रुप्स हैं जिसमें हम डालते रहते हैं, कोई देखता ही नहीं है. The Inner Circle meeting is very important, where you discuss things. You have friends who can educate you to things. In Inner Circle, you do not post promotions. You take pain to read everything. In a typical sales group, there are no rules. Here, we follow a code of conduct. And this is very important. That is why we have kept a separate group in Inner Circle for promotional messages, for gupshup and everything. In the Inner Circle official group, it will be only the announcements or how to promote the business. Please note the following points. If you want to broadcast a message across eGrowth, share it with Ronika and she will do the needful. There are 50 WhatsApp groups. We have it. If you are in Chennai, you have something else. In Mumbai, the other groups are there. She will know where to post it. The beautiful part is that we have a wonderful website, egrowth.org, made by Rajesh Pandit and ably supported and helped by Atul. He has given all the things and you can publish blogs into it. You have events over there. You can put your requirements. You can offer things. If there's a cashback offer, anything offers are there, you can put it over there. We should all take this site very seriously. Visit at least 2 to 3 times in a week and put our things over there. You can publish blogs. We people are the ones who are going to promote this. If we do not go to egrowth.org, it will not get public. People will not know about it, and you will not get more business. The more you go into egrowth.org, the more business we all will get. You can reach out to Ronika for any assistance regarding the eGrowth portal, and for final things, Rajesh Pandit or Atul will help you out. Ronika can take you through the features of the portal as well. The initial thing, Ronika can handle it, and later on, you can talk to me also. Whenever you have a friend, you want to add it on eGrowth, you may share his or her number with Ronika, and she will support the person to come into eGrowth. You can visit Inner Circle as a visitor twice. And by that time, you have to make your mind whether you want to subscribe to Inner Growth. Inner Circle is costing 30,000 rupees. And as a special offer, it will be there for 15,000 for all the people you recommend. It is very important. Everything is done to the right people. eGrowth is a cumulative community of 30,000 people. There are 20-25,000 on the website whose profiles are there. Then we have a Facebook community. We have a LinkedIn community. We have YouTube channel. We have everything over there. We have access to more than 1 million entrepreneurs. Your contacts see it. My wife sees the presentation. Somebody else can go into it. We are all there on the Facebook. There are so many people go into it. Plus, we are into industry also. MSME people, we are part of so many industrial associations. Dharmishta runs a community which is Mulund Smart Moms community. She's doing a wonderful job of it. So many people look into e-growth through this. Then Riddhi leads Lajja, which is into multiple chapters and has a large reach. She has some medical problems. That's why she's not there today. And Mr. Bankim Mistry, the president of Mumbai Small Industries Association, is connected to thousands of MSMEs. Mr. Shripat Kulkarni, who's there, is the founder of Brahm Business Network, Global and BBNG. Similarly, we have got connects. I am into Computer Dealers Association. I run a Resident Welfare Association. I know I have been there in the network industry for more than 7 years. All of us have got contacts and we can all further each other's business. Next. The statistics says that we are present at 8 cities at present and we have 33 members. We have an average experience of 26.52 years. And the average age of inner circle is 49 years. We have people who are 28 years also with us. And the total man years experience is 875. This is there. I've just clicked it from our website and it is there. Some of the terms which we use it is the celebration. Face-to-face is the personal conversations, what we do it. Referrals, we give business to each other and we tell, it is never a guarantee that you will get business through this. But a referral given by e-growth inner circle is almost getting a business out of it.
Sanjeev ji, hard stop. I really need to close in 1 minute.
Fine. I'm okay with it. Business closed. Guests invited. Gratitude. Thank you. It's open to you. Atul, go ahead.
Yeah. So thanks, Sanjeev ji. I suggest that we continue the conversation on the WhatsApp group. 9:30 we need to start the CEO meeting, so I'll need to really close this because the same ID I will be using. The same ID in the sense I have only one license for Zoom right now. Okay, and Sanjeev ji, you've done an awesome job. We're meeting next week. We'll have a more deliberate conversation because we'll be able to maybe stretch the conversation next week. Okay, I really want each one of you to give your inputs. Those of you who are not subscribers right now, please consider to subscribe. Okay, you will get much more value. Believe me, this 30,000 rupees is chiller. इतना तो आप मंदिर में दान दे देते हो, उससे ज्यादा है ये. ठीक है? Okay, bye. See you.